Find or read reviews that people are talking about iSinbox GC357 Smart Projector, Auto Focus, Auto 6D Keystone. 4K projector with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Enter the era of full automation, autofocus and Keystone. Experience the future of entertainment with the iSinbox Smart Movie Projector, featuring fully automatic functions such as autofocus, auto keystone correction, and auto obstacle avoidance, allowing you to enjoy breathtaking big screen viewing anytime, anywhere without hassle. Stunning visual quality, 4K support and 850 ANSI. Enjoy breathtaking visuals with a native 1080p resolution and support for 4K, coupled with 850 ANSI lumens brightness. The unparalleled clarity and rich color depth bring every detail to life on the screen, perfect for both indoor and outdoor projector setups. Enhanced connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 and 2-ways Bluetooth. Featuring dual-band 2.4G/5G Wi-Fi and bidirectional Bluetooth technology. This TV projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensures stable connections for streaming your favorite content and sharing presentations, giving you maximum flexibility in how you use your portable projector. Robust performance, MTK9269 chip and support PPT, powered by the MTK9269 chip, this outdoor projector offers improved stability and durability. It even supports PPT playback and can project up to a massive 300 inches, with zoom capability from 50 to 100%, making it an ideal choice for both home theaters and professional settings. Keep your best interests in mind, personalized settings. Tailor your viewing experience with the projector's smart personalization settings, allowing you to customize image modes, brightness levels, and wallpapers. The unique companion mode enhances user interaction, making this 4K mini projector a versatile solution for entertainment and productivity alike. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.